So I got tired of seeing this in the frame, so I'm switching it to this. This is the Elgato Wave Mic Arm LP. It's a LP low profile arm, so now it's not in the shot anymore. I originally liked the overhead mount because it gave me the most flexibility on the desk. It allowed me to move it up out of shot, which I think before when I was using overhead mounts, I had it this way. And it looks really cool. It looks professional. It looks like this podcast thing. I mean, all of this looks like a podcast thing, but I started to get tired of seeing this in the frame. My editors, Mark, also getting tired of seeing this in the frame, so we switched to a low profile mount.
Answered prayers.
However, these mounts like this, yes, you could be way back here. My chair's stuck. And then it could be low profile, but this is just not the business. So other benefits of a long arm like this is that you can still have things in the desk or things in the way, and because it's above everything and then drops down, that is free flowing. Okay, this is the Elgato Wave Mic Arm LP. It's a LP low profile arm, so now it's not in this shot anymore, and it's way roomier. I actually thought that I wouldn't be able to put my hand underneath, but I'm okay moving my hand underneath to still be able to use my keyboard and access things if I'm streaming or on a podcast. And I can position the mic. What's nice is, let me actually switch this to a wider lens. Okay, there we go. I switched from a 24 to 70 to a 17 to a 28 millimeters. So now this is a super wide angle lens. Now you can see what I'm looking at here. There's a tension adjuster here on this side. So if I want to increase this, now the Shure mic is super heavy. There's another tension adjuster with a ball head that's here, so if I wanted to make precise adjustments, I can do that too, and tighten this guy up, and it packs away pretty easily. I can go ahead and move it here. So that's how I would use it. I have plenty of room underneath. For my other hand, I can move this here. It's not sagging, it's not moving down. I can move it closer or farther pretty easily. So if I want to move this around, I like it. I should have went low profile from the beginning, but it still gives me lots of room on the desk. It's able to tuck away pretty easily. Let me see, you'll see this. Still tuck away. Super fast, I'm able to pull it out when I want. So I like the look. It is now out, and you can see this side of the screen a lot more. Overall, low profile arm versus the boom arm. You guys let me know, did you guys like the boom arm look that was up high, or do you prefer this low profile look? I like now having this clutter gone. I'll test it and see. I'm shooting a podcast later, so we'll see if it starts to get sag, but super fast to set up, super easy. Love the tension adjustments. These magnets are very strong. So as I'm adjusting, you'll see that nothing popped out at all. Very clean look. This, I guess, could get cleaned up a little bit, but that's just me nitpicking now. Aside from that, not bad. Stay. Anyways, you guys let me know if you have a Shure SM7B, or in this case, this is the new one. This is a Shure SM7DB. Yes, the newest one. It's holding it. It's fine. It's not sagging. It hasn't dropped at all. I'm moving it. It's good. So this can handle a heavy mic. If you found this review helpful and you want to pick up one of these arms for yourself, I'll click the link down below. Actually, from the time when I bought it, it was $20 off. Maybe it still is again, so click that link. Anyways, my name's Josh. I'm a marketer. I'm a real estate investor, and I'm trying to help you make more content or make more income through real estate investing. So if any of that's interesting, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you want to see a video of me comparing this mic to the cheaper little brother, which is the Shure MV7 and the Rode Pod mic, make sure to click this video here, and I will see you in that video. Cheers, guys.